Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some chicken breasts on my Weber kettle. I have some bone-in, skin-on chicken breasts, and last night I seasoned them with some kosher salt, then just put them in the fridge overnight. Now what that does, some people call that dry brining. If you salt the meat ahead of time like that, the salt kind of gets into the meat and it gives it more flavor, and it also helps it hang on to more moisture, so it gives you juicier meat. So I did that. I just sprinkled, a fair amount of salt on both sides, about like if you were going to eat it at the table. So, and I'm not going to rinse it, I'm just going to leave that on there. Now, I didn't season it with anything else, so I think I'll put a little of this Johnny's seasoned pepper on there. This has no extra salt in it, it's just pepper, sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion. So there's already enough salt on these, so I don't want to add any more salt. I usually use this more on beef, but we'll try some on the chicken here. I'm using lump charcoal for this. I almost always use lump charcoal with chicken. I just like it the way it cooks. It gets hotter, and I like the way the chicken turns out with the lump charcoal. So I'm starting it out with the skin side down. I have a slow and sear to hold my charcoal. If you don't have that, just pile your coals on the back side of the grill. And so we'll start it out skin side down. Probably let it go about 20 minutes or so, and then I'll flip it over. And I'm just leaving the vents wide open. It's been about 15 or 20 minutes, so I'm going to check on this. The grill temperature is running about 375, 380 degrees Fahrenheit, so pretty hot. Okay, this looks pretty good. Go ahead and turn them over now. Now I'll get the lid back on there and let them go a while longer. I might have to flip them several times. It's been about 50 minutes. The grill's running about 420 degrees right now. These look like they're doing pretty good. I haven't turned them over anymore because they look like they were doing pretty good like that. I need the internal temperature to be about 160 to 165 degrees. That one's 175. That one's 160. 153 and 154. So they're just about done. I'm gonna go ahead and brush some barbecue sauce on them and just maybe let them cook for about 5 more minutes, and then I'll get them off of there. These look pretty good. I see some juice running out, but let's cut into it and see how the inside looks here. Well, that looks pretty good to me. Let's slice off a bite and see how that is. That turned out real good. It's nice and juicy. Salting the meat the day or the night before makes a big difference. Did you get that fly? You want to do a taste test? You want to try some chicken? There you go. Well, Annie liked it. It did turn out real good. It was nice and moist and juicy. Had a little bit of bite from the Johnny's seasoned pepper, and then that Kinder's barbecue sauce was kind of sweet. So all those flavors went really well together. It was pretty good chicken. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you next time.